Hey guys, 420 RCJ here, and how's it going? Me pretty good. Just haven't been doing much this summer, just nothing to really do, you know. Went fishing a couple times, but got to do more of that. But what I got to show you guys here is we're getting the smoke from the BC wildfires real bad. Real bad. Let's see if I can zoom in here. It is so smoky here, it is unreal. And I'm over at my buddy Brad's right now, and we got Laser here. Oh, he's vaping. Oh my god. Oh wow, eh? Yeah. Pretty sweet, dude. And yeah, it's just kind of sucks. The air quality was like at 4 right now, and tomorrow it's supposed to be at 10, so we're supposed to get it real bad. Oh, now there's a fire up by Banff, up by Sunshine Village, Lake Louise. It's like, oh man, it just, everything is just burning up. Worst fire in Canadian history, I hear, but oh, unreal. Cheers, by the way, and yeah. Up on the 3rd floor right now, so yeah. Oh.
Smoking and tripping.
Yeah, I'm shooting a video, Brad. Eh?
You're live on YouTube right now.
No, I'm not gonna put it on his face. He'll slap the camera. Oh, I gotta see this. What kind of smokes you got? Let's see. Philip Morris.
Max.
Yeah, eh?
Big long. Fucking long.
There you go. And I'm vaping now, Larry. I've been cutting down on the smokes real good. I'm vaping with nicotine right now, but it's actually working, and yeah, it hasn't blown up in my face yet. So
Chance I could have another copy.
yeah. Holy!
You can have another cup.
Larry!
I guess.
Larry! Get a job.
And be real rich. Get a good job. And be
Get a haircut and get a real job.
Get a good job.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm just doing a little video here. My nice big Canon camera crapped out, so I gotta use my little guy here. But yeah, she's smoky. It's supposed to get worse tomorrow, so we'll keep you updated, okay? So 420 RCJ, peace out, and everybody be good, be safe. There's lots of crazies out there. There's been some real bad shit going on in town here, eh? The fucking car jumping into Safeway, you know, trying to go through the aisles, eh?
And one thing I have more to say.
And
if you're going to have S&M, make sure you pick a good safe word beforehand.
okay. Quotes from Laser. So yeah, we'll see you guys later, okay? Adios.